Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do another Blender video, yay! And in the last Blender video, we did this, and if you look, that's what we got, yay! First, if you select your icing, and then go to materials here, and then your base color should be this, of course. And like, turn your subsurf a bit up. So 220? Put this to 220. And then put all of these others to 0.150. And if it looks like this, change your subsurf color to brown. It's brown. Yeah, and then it goes back to normal. And change this to 1.250. There you go. That's what we want. And there you go. Wait, whoa. Now if we go to the camera, that's what it should look like. And selecting the camera, go to this. Go to output properties here, selecting camera, and it should be 1080 by 920 pixels, which is good. And you want to turn this a bit. So probably make this, it's probably make it 1868 pixels by 1080 pixels. There you go. And now we can go back to the donut show. So if we go out of this, let's talk about our camera. So by the way, this hand, you can move the screen. Let me just change this to this mode. It's easier. So if we move the view, selecting a camera, and if you R on your keyboard, RX, selecting your camera, RX, and then RX control, and then it just pushes you on the now if we go, yep, I'm not doing it. Okay, don't do what I just did. I was just playing around. Wait, what? Okay. Now, if you go to this mode, shading mode, whatever it's called, it should look like this. And then it should, it should look like this. Oh yeah, we didn't talk about this. I changed my donut a bit around. So if you select your, the icing, go to materials. I changed the roughness to 0.255. so it looks a bit more shiny. Nah, probably turn that a bit up. Like 312. Yeah, 312 will look good. And now let's talk about the donut. Wait, the donut. The donut, not the icing. Its base color is this skin colorish thing. And you do the same thing that you did to the icing. So I'm going to change it to 0.282. No. 181. That look good. Probably 181, and then change all of the others to 0.19. 0.150. Yeah, I think that looks good. Now, wait, let's do the render. Yeah, boy. Now let's do the render.
Where's his smile?
Okay. Wait, no.
She's smiling like this, Mama.
So remember when in the last video I taught you about, like, if you see the target symbol and you drag, something comes there. Well, if you right click and drag. So do that. Vertical split. Okay. So it should look like this. Okay, wait. Go to, what was I talking about? Oh yes. Where's your light? Here's your light. You should see, selecting your light.
She did this, Mama. Look.
You should see this when you select it. If you turn the power, up, goes like that. It goes like that. Maybe don't do too high. Like about here. I'm just dragging the radius and max. Yeah, I think that's good. What did I do? What was I gonna do? Oh yes. If you select the camera and just move it a bit up. Wait. First go to go to this mode and then select your camera and then GZ, and you can see it's going up, and that's what we want. Oh yes, now we can do it. Okay, now if you want to put this back, just see the target symbol. I mean, no, from the normal side, drag to this side. Wait, no. Oh. Yeah. Sorry. Here. Yeah, if you see the target symbol, like from here, target symbol, and then you drag, and then you see this. There you go. Oh. Okay. And then if you, go back to this. If you select the camera, G, and okay, here, just keep it here. And what else? Oh yes, now let's do the render. So if you hit F12, which you should know, so the camera, let's tap it. Wait, why isn't it working? No, just kidding. Just tap F12. I'm doing GPU compute. I'm doing wait, image save. Okay. Wait, what was that? Oh yes. If you're selecting your camera here, the device I'm using is. Don't mind the noise. The device I'm using is GPU compute. And for me, GPU is a little bit faster than CPU. I do have CPU, but I also have GPU, which is better. So if you don't have GPU, it doesn't matter. It will be the same. It's just CPU is just slower. That's the difference. No big difference. It doesn't matter if you don't have GPU. So, what was I talking about? Oh, yeah. Now, if you render it and then go to compositing. Wait. Put this up. Mine doesn't really show it. So, I have to go to compositor here. If your one doesn't show it, press this. Go to compositor. Here! Yes! Finally! Okay. Okay. There you go. You should open this. I just had to just press this, uncheck this box. Hoo-hoo! It should look like this. Oh, wait, what? Oh. Oh, what did I just do? Okay. If you... It's still moving together. Okay, if you have to have a denoiser to put the noise down. So if you get the denoiser, press Shift A. Shift A. And then search denoiser. It should look like this. And then press the noisy image to this. And yeah. And it should look like this. I don't have these things. For some reason, I don't have these things. It should be something here. And then let's connect the normal here, connect the albedo here. So it should work. I'm in the 3.9 version. So if I go to image editor, is image. Oh yes, image editor. And then new. Render. If you hit F11, it comes up. Wait, what? Yeah. Render. It should affect your image. So, wait, what? Why is it not working? Untitled image. I think it is this. Open image. Here. if you go here, if you saved it like me, go here, and then press the whatever the image, and then yeah. Whew. Now if you just like refresh it, like it should affect it. Yeah, you shouldn't see you should like, there should be at least, there should be noise, it should be noisy, but at least it's gone better. So now go back. Where's layout? Go to layout. And I think that's about it for this video. And this video took 15 minutes. Can you believe that? Oh yes! No. Before you go here, change to this. I figured out, wait, turn this plane off. I figured out our sculpting isn't really good. So I want to do the sculpting again. So if you go to what the? No. Sculpting. Sculpting. What? Why isn't it in sculpting? Oh yeah. Selecting the donut. Go to sculpt mode. Oh, and then go down. Yeah. Remember when I told you to press Control to push in? Just do that. Keep on doing that. And then go here. And then just keep on doing. There. Oh, and then now go. Wait, what? No, go to layout now. And then I did turn back everything on. And that's about it. I hope you had fun learning my tutorial. Wait, what? Learning my tutorial. And in the next video, we will, in the next video, we're gonna make the sprinkles. This is the fun part. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Bye 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 bye. Subscribe. 3 things I want to tell you. Subscribe, like, and press the notification button. If you subscribe, then you can press the notification button. So, see you next time. And subscribe. We need to get at least 20 subscribers or 25. So yeah, bye.